Welcome to IFAStories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Òrúnmìlà, the Irunmoles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you.
To explore full Yoruba stories, Ifa teachings, and ancestral wisdom, visit our website, www.ifastories.com. Step into the sacred path for more resources and information. When Èlégbà saved Bára Pétù, art of Òrúnmìlà, prayer, Adifafun Bára Pétù, Kobori Olayewa, Onilu, Ba Palye, Òrúnmìlà, Arjibe, Ika Kaferefun Èlégbà. Patakin, story. One day, Bára Pétù, which was the name of Òrúnmìlà in the land of Ìyèsà, consulted Ifa and received this Odù, where it was advised that he must perform a head cleansing, rogación de cabeza. But since he had to go out urgently, he did not do the ritual. Near his house, there was a farm with a field of coconut palms. As he passed by, Òrúnmìlà had to enter the field to relieve himself. It turned out that thieves were stealing coconuts from that farm every day. Òrúnmìlà, who had a sack with him, placed it under a palm tree. The sack was open, and without him noticing, 2 coconuts fell from the tree directly into it. When he finished, Òrúnmìlà picked up his sack, threw it over his shoulder, and left the farm by jumping over the fence. At that moment, the guards of the property stopped him, searched his bag, and found the 2 coconuts. They immediately accused him of being the thief and took him to the owners of the farm. As this was happening, a boy passed by, who was none other than Èlégbà himself. Seeing what was happening to Òrúnmìlà and recognizing him, he approached and asked what was going on. Òrúnmìlà explained everything. Without saying a word, Èlégbà left and went straight home, where he performed an Igbo offering for betrayal. When he finished, he went to the home of the farm owner and said, "Sir, that man is Òrúnmìlà, a man of honor and virtue, known throughout the world as an excellent person." Thanks to this, the farm owner released Òrúnmìlà. Note: under this Odù, if you intend to steal, you must first perform Igbo, or you will be caught and arrested. You are a person drawn to adventure and disorder, but such behavior will not bring you anything good in life. Do not associate with bad company. Do not let temptation control you. Turn your back on everything that is evil. Offer an akuko, rooster, to Isu, so he may open your roads and bring you the money you need for peace and stability. When you see arguments or fights, even within your own household, do not get involved. Do not try to explain gossip or listen to those who bring it. In this path, disobedience leads to imprisonment or even death. Let the world spin and wait patiently for your moment. Meferefun Èlégbà.